Okay, so if we can think about the quality triangle as if you have cost and quality up the top, and of course, as you go down, you reduce both the cost and the quality. And it's a bit like anything else. It's a bit like cars, for example, or TVs is another great example, right? You can pay top dollar for a TV with lots of features that's going to do everything you want and last a long time, or you can go and buy the cheapest one you can, which is going to do fundamentally what the top one does, but only a bit of it, as in it'll show you the TV screen, but it won't have all the smarts, and it's unlikely to last long. So in a nutshell, that's it. It's really simple, except that with solar is designed to last for decades. So it is important that it does last long, because otherwise you're spending thousands of dollars on something that doesn't last long if you go to the bottom of the triangle. So it is important that the quality is there and also that the longevity is there. Now, in terms of whether you go up the top of the triangle or the middle of the triangle, that really depends on how long you're going to be in your home and how smart you want your system to be. But our advice is always never go the bottom of the triangle. Again, at Solaray today, we take hundreds of panels off roofs every month that are 3 to 5 years old. And you know, that doesn't help the people that paid for them originally, and they're all being replaced. That doesn't help the people that bought them originally, and they've had to write off their thousands of dollars, and it certainly doesn't help the environment. The whole point of a solar system environmentally is that it does last for decades. That's when it adds real value to our carbon footprint.